Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I want to give you a live demo of my virtual tours where we combine the power of Zoom-like video calls. You can see here I'm doing a live video call here while I also do a 360 virtual tour, right? So I can showcase this apartment right here, for example, while I chat with my prospect at the same time. Imagine right now with the pandemic, with COVID-19, how powerful that is, right? If you think about a car dealership, a gym, Airbnb, a realtor, indoor playground, doctors, they can now showcase their properties, their services while doing a video chat like that. Okay, and as you know, Zoom right now is the biggest growing company. Video live chat is a trendy, a service right now that a lot of businesses are using, and so are 360 tours right here. And I just want to give you a live demo and show you how we combine it and how easy it is to use. So let me just show you what I can do, right? You saw the live chat feature. I'm going to click away my camera. I'm going to show you later again how I did this and how easy it is. You know, I can also here select my microphone. I can select my camera right here. I can even do chat. I can chat right here also and type into the box as well. It is really, really incredible, right? So I'm going to click away here just for this example, and this is the live actual virtual tour. So I have, I can click to the next room right here. I can watch a video testimonial right here. Check this out. I can click on video, and your client can then upload here a video testimonial. I can play the video. Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I want to, okay, now the video is playing. I can have a comment section right here where it says, furniture info. This place is fully furnished. I can have a contact me hotspot right here. I can click on this, and then if I click this link here, it's going to open up my email. And then if I scroll around here, inside the virtual tour, I can click here on the image, and it says, meet our team. You can customize everything right here. If you have team members, you can upload an image of them right here. Whatever your location is, however you helping clients as an agency, as a local marketer, it's up to you, right? And as you can see, it's fully 360, and I can fully customize it. I'm going to show you in a moment how easy it is to customize it, right? If I want to go to the bedroom, I can click here on this hotspot, and it's going to take me here to the actual bedroom. I can check that out. And that way you can do a full virtual tour of an office, of a gym, of a CrossFit gym, of a doctor's practice. It doesn't even matter which client it is. You can work with this with anything. If I click here back, it's taking me to the living room. If I click here to the full kitchen, I can go to the full kitchen, and then you can see here I have 360 and I have different hotspots as well, right? And we have some amazing features here as well, like background music. You can upload a floor plan. So let me show you how to do this, okay? If I go to the dashboard right here, this is the dashboard of my virtual tours, and here on the left-hand side you have projects, you have prospects, which stands for lead generation. We have built-in lead generation. We have different integrations that are incredible. I'm going to show them in a moment. We have a team collaboration feature. If you have a team in Atlanta and a team in, let's say, Sydney, you can have your team members cooperate, and then here we also have a white label option for in one of our upgrades, for example, right? But I can just click here on project, and then I can click here on a new project, right? So I'm going to create a tour now from scratch with you, okay? Just going to call this Mario demo. I can give it a description, and I just have to upload a 360 image. Now you can record 360 images with an actual 360 camera, or you can just use your smartphone. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's an Android or an iPhone, it really doesn't matter. And as you can see, it's going to upload the image real time, and then we can edit it. So here's the image that I just uploaded, okay? It's this living room right here, and it's already 360, and like I said, with your smartphone, you can record images like this, okay? And then here, if I want to add a hotspot, let's say I want to go to a different room right here, for example, okay, I can click here on add hotspot, and then I can click go to, and I could add that hotspot right now here and then tell it to which next room to go, for example, right? That is one example. I can also add other hotspots like a video hotspot and put it here on the TV, for example. And once you have the hotspot right here, you can then customize that hotspot, right? So I can click on this. It's going to open up. I can give it a name, for example, our happy customers, right? And you can also have a description here, and then I can click here and choose media. And this is cool. I actually have, I can upload videos from my computer. I also here have a library. Okay, literally we have hundreds and hundreds of HD videos that you can actually choose from. You can also add your category right here. I can push enter. Now I have all these beach videos, for example, right? If I want to choose one, I can click here and play and check it out. Okay, but you can also upload your own video, and we're also adding right now a URL where you can, for example, add your YouTube video, right? And then it's going to add a video that I like here, for example, the beach video, okay? And then I can also customize here my hotspot with different icons, for example, right? If I want to do that, I can click here, save on hotspot. And that's how easy it is to create a hotspot right here, okay? Now, we have multiple options available like HTML, audio, background music, right? You can upload an image, you can upload an app, a map, for example, a video hotspot, contact hotspot. You can have a lead generation built in. It's amazing. If you look here on the left-hand side, we have some really cool settings, okay? If you want to upload a new 360 image, you just click here. Now, we can upload a full floor plan, right? If you're a realtor, if you work with Airbnb, you can upload a floor plan. We have lead generation right here. If I activate this right here, I can choose any autoresponder I like. We have MailChimp, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, Sendio, MailView, Aweber, and you can even add your own autoresponder here, or you can just let us know if you want us to add another autoresponder, and then you can collect leads for your prospects, for your customers, right from inside a virtual tour. So you can also sell this as a lead generation service. We have settings right here. We have our live feature. So if you want to activate video live chat, just like Zoom, you can do that right here. I can turn it on right here, for example, and then I can click here on team. You can set up team members right here, collaborations. I can set up background sound. So if you want to add your own music track to a tour to give it a certain feeling, you can do that, or you can choose our songs right here. That is up to you. And then also we have analytics. For example, we have Google Analytics, we have Facebook Pixel, and all these cool features for your virtual tours. And it's super easy. If you want to do a hotspot, you just click here and you can add your hotspots right here in action, and then add them right here and they can show up. And then one cool thing also that I want to show you, you can then install this immediately. You can also just preview it right here on the right hand side. I can save this, or I can share this real time. Now, install is really cool because if I click install, it's a one click to live feature. Now, if I grab this URL right here and I put it into my browser, this is actually now a live virtual tour. And it just took one click, right? You can see here how we can force lead generation as well. I'm going to click this away, and then you can see here different hotspots that I added, right? With just one simple click. Another cool feature that is brand new that we added is that you can also export a virtual tour right now, and you can give it to your client if they want to host it themselves. They can embed it on their website, they can host it on their own server. You know, this is made for agencies, for local marketers, for online marketers that want to do local marketing, right? Super easy to do, super easy to use. That's important. You have all your settings here on the left-hand side, and again, if you want to have a hotspot right here, you can click on preview and you're good to go, right? If I go back here to the main dashboard, you know, again, projects, prospects, integrations. If I click here on integrations, you can see here, Usign, Get Response, Aweber, and we're adding more and more. You can even add your own autoresponder. We have white label options, reseller options, down in the funnel, everything available here for you, including live chat, right? Remember, live chat right now is a really, really hot topic. And one other thing that you want to consider is that virtual tours, they sell between $3,000 and $10,000, okay? One virtual tour. $3,000 to $10,000. Imagine just signing up 4, 5, 6 clients in the next 3 to 4 weeks. There's some real revenue opportunity right here, and you have almost no competition because that is such a new and unique and hot trending topic together with the actual live chat, okay? One really nice feature right here is the live chat feature where you can do live video chat with your prospects and you can consult them, you can give them tips, you can overcome the objections, you can close them on the call. It's gonna boost your engagement like crazy, and then you can customize, like I said, all these hotspots here as well. I hope that makes sense. I hope you enjoyed that demo. This works with, you know, car dealerships, doctors, gyms, indoor playground, Airbnb, realtor, restaurants, anyone with a local location. You can even do an e-commerce store 362 as well. Show your warehouse, for example. This is, you know, all these different opportunities where you can use the software, and it's super easy to use. Now, if you take action right now, please, you know, you're gonna get the best deal. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this demo. I can't wait to see you inside the members area. Talk soon.